Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an amazing product to share with you, the portable prefabricated tiny home 13x20ft. This mobile expandable plastic prefab house is perfect for a hotel, booth, office, guardhouse, shop, villa, warehouse, or workshop, and it even comes with a restroom. First off, let's talk about the size. This prefab tiny home offers more space than typical shipping containers, making it ideal for 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 bathroom, and 1 kitchen. It's spacious and comfortable, perfect for a variety of uses. But it's not just about space. This prefab home is also built with safety and durability in mind. Constructed with a steel frame and flame-retardant foam wallboard, it's waterproof, thermally insulated, earthquake-resistant, and wind-resistant. It's designed to last, no matter where you choose to place it. And speaking of placement, this expandable design makes it easy to transport and install. Whether you're looking for a permanent or temporary solution, this prefab home is simple to assemble and disassemble, making it suitable for frequent relocation. One of the best features of this tiny home is the abundant natural light it offers. The multi-window design ensures a bright and inviting interior, and it's equipped with full electrical wiring to USA standards, providing flexibility for customization. And the applications are endless, from commercial housing to temporary hospitals to backyard guest houses. This versatile prefab home has you covered. I know what you're thinking: how easy is it to install? Well, I'll be honest, this prefab house has no accompanying staff to dismantle and install, and furniture and circuits are not included. But with drywall anchors and screws through the holes on the adjustable legs for added stability, it's a manageable task for anyone with a bit of experience. And finally, let's talk about transportation. This oversized good requires truck delivery and unloading with a crane due to its weight. It's a bit of extra work, but trust me, the end result is worth it. So if you're in the market for a portable, durable, and versatile prefab home, be sure to check out the link in the description for more information. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. See you next time.